Hi guys, just a quick video here. I finally did it. After months and months of trying to find out how to fix the black screen issue with OBS, I finally did it. There are two ways how you can do it depending on your Windows 10 version. One is if you go here, right click and go on NVIDIA control panel. Then you go to manage 3D settings, program settings, choose the program here. It's already pre-selected for me. And then you change from here to integrated graphics. Click apply. And don't forget to restart OBS. And then it can be that it works. And if it doesn't, you're still stuck with the black screen here. But I finally found the answer to the problem, and I'm going to show you that now. So what you have to do is go to Graphics, Settings, and then you get this window. You get this drop-down menu here. For me it says Classic App, but it could also be Desktop App. So click on that, Browse, and find where you have the OBS installed. For me this is C, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin, 64-bit, OBS XE. So this is where you have to add to the program, and you get it here. You get some options, you just click here and you use power saving. You save that, you restart OBS, and what miracle, it worked. I can finally again use one of my favorite free softwares out there. I hope this video helped. If it helped you, leave a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.